Vlog camera ZV-1 Mark II. ZV-1 Mark II is designed for all vloggers. You will never miss your special moment. It fits a variety of vlog styles and is easy to use in every scene. Let's capture your life and emotions wider. Carry it every day so you can take more moments. "4K images have breathtaking detail, even in lower light. Capture a selfie more easily with vari-angle screen and touch control. With the fast hybrid autofocus, the ZV-1 Mark II maintains sharp focus. When the camera recognizes the eyes, the real-time eye autofocus will continue to track the eyes. The face priority auto exposure keeps the face bright, even in backlight or low light. There is the soft skin effect to smoothen skin, which is adjustable from 4 levels. Cinematic vlog settings enables impressive look and feel with cinematic aspect. Just choose the desired finish from 5 looks and 4 moods. A newly developed intelligent 3-capsule mic automatically switches the direction of the built-in microphone in auto mode.
Hey!
Active mode stabilizes footages smoother when shooting while moving. Impressive slow motion expression, up to 5 times slower speed. S-Log3 Gamma Curve and S-Gamut3.Cine color mode allow creative grading. Its compactness and high image quality make the ZV-1 Mark II ideal for multi-camera creation with Alpha series cameras. Simply connect the camera to smartphone with the USB cable sold separately to use it as webcam. Transfer your recorded videos to a smartphone over Wi-Fi through the mobile application. From packaging to materials used for the camera and supplied windscreen, we've launched several initiatives to reduce our environment footprint. Vlog camera ZV-1 Mark II.